If you are going to upload a story on your Instagram account and you want to add a sticker on your Instagram story, then how you can simply do it? Firstly, make sure that you have updated your Instagram application because the new feature is only available in the latest Instagram version. Now, if you have done it, simply open your Instagram here on your device and then you have to swipe to the left to create a story for you. Now click on the story button. From this menu, you should click any of the black image. Like I will click on the photos, allow access, and let me just allow access for the photos here of my like I've added this photo and I will simply adjust it. Then here you will have an option on the third called add stickers. From this you can create a sticker of yours. Simply click on get it, and from this menu you can add any of the stickers you want. Let me just simply search for sticker. In the setting you can add any one of them. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.